What's up, guys? It's your boy Travis Patton with the Purposeful Trading channel. channel. And today we're going to talk about how I end up making over 75% right calls on my trading trades. So let's get right into it. So I want to let you see something right off the bat. GEVO was a great trade for me today. Traded GEVO, got some in the 1040s. As you can see, it bounced, uh, broke out, bounced, held, and now after hours, it's coming back, trying to come back towards those highs and break this afternoon ABCD pattern, which doesn't always have to be with the highs of the day in mind. So just finished really strongly, and it's a huge breakout, and I want you to see it because it was, I mean, crazy. For first green day, huge volume. Um, how much volume is that? 145 million shares. Ooh wee. Um, so yeah, it was a great trade. If I'd have saw it sooner, would have got in a lot sooner. But GVO was a great. It's been a great trade so far. Really, the only thing I would say that I would do differently is get in near the pullback here in the about the 1990s, because that was around VWAP. I got in on this huge pull, which is still cool, but I got in right here. This is one of my positions, and you know, could add it here, but I didn't want to add just straight right there. I added once I saw the chart, kind of filling out to be what I really thought it was going to be. GVO. Like I said, if I was saw it earlier, I would definitely hopped in right out the gate because GVO has been a banger for years. If you look in the past, you can see that it's went from a few dollars all the way up to the 20s. So it's very big when it comes to that. And it's marching up after hours. So it's a great trade. And yeah, you know, the stocks that I picked earlier did phenomenal on their own time. I'll just say it like that. Because I got in this one a little bit too early. I got in at like the 2018 average. And as you can see, when that was before that was pre-market. So when it pulled back, I had a pretty good trade. Let me see if I can expand. There we go. Expand this chart for you. So I had a pretty good trading plan. I was going to add into the dips, but I was like, you know what? For some reason, I just ended up taking a loss. Maybe because I sized in a little bit more than I should have in this area here. So I'm not perfect. I saw it later, building up, and I saw it here. Wanted to buy it, but I was like, it may be another fake out. But if you look at the chart, I was absolutely perfectly right. Not just due because I'm just thinking it because the chart was just saying it, screaming it to me, and screaming it to everybody who saw it. If you look at it in the past few days, and excluding this day, because this is the big day, which is today, you will see here 223 is the top. All right. But you will see this pattern here, and it's not breaking down. It's not breaking down. And so all I have to do is buy. To be honest with you, if this was a smaller market cap, this probably would have went to the moon just because it's repeating the same pattern. So, yeah, that one sucked, but I believe I made up for it on GEVO. GEVO was a good one. Still in the 11s. After hours is 11:25. So it's doing what I thought it would do. I spelled out my actual plan inside the room, and yeah, it's been really great. If you look at the last few minutes of the chart, like I told people, GVO hadn't had a huge run in a long time. That's looking at a year's time. As you can see, I mean, you don't see much. How many years is that? That's a 5-year span. Um, it's had a run 5 years. Let me see something. It's had multiple. Right now, at 1130s, 1120s, it's right around this area here. Back in the day, a few years back, when it ran all the way up to the 20s, like I was talking about. But it's like 2 years ago, and you can see that there's still room because I mean, this is not with the same amount of volume. This is 4 million share volume, 30 million share volume, nothing anywhere close to the 100 something million share volume that we have today. Um, Taking into account everything such as price offerings, NASDAQ requirements, all this other stuff that you can look up on your own time, or you can get in the academy. But beautiful trade. I need some water. I was a little raspy. Now I'm back for the most part. Solid trade, and hopefully we get a gap up tomorrow. Basically, that's what I'm looking for. Something I say around this level, around this 13, this level. I'm in again, like right here, the 1040. So I'm really trying to get out to a bigger squeeze. This was some huge volume. It's the first green day, so I want to see if it also has a second following green day that follows it. As you can see here, when it usually breaks out, there's a following green day. And this one has 3 following green days. And I don't know what's going on today with this voice. Need some tea, need some more tea. But even this day was actually up more so than the second day here. So yeah, looking for a gap up. Small, short, fat, tall, doesn't matter. Want to let it open, let it trade. Uh, yeah, just let it wind and see if the strength is still there. If it's there, let it ride. If not, take gains. Solid double play. So thank you. A double play is more than 10%. Uh, Anywhere from 15 to 20, really 20% or more. So uh, that's what this type of play could be and really is. So very thankful, very thankful.